Hello and a very good day everyone. So if you're looking right now, this is a dashboard of a variance analysis as of January 2023. So we do have budget allocated, we do have actual amount, we do have the variance, and it shows overspend status. So I just can click anything and it will show me the data accordingly. So the interesting thing is you don't have to redo the dashboard every month. Basically the first month you can do hard work. Basically you need to prepare the coloring, you need to prepare the visual accordingly. But as you do every month, you just have to change the data source. So just say you have a new file. So you go to data source settings, a box will appear. You click on change source. So once you click on change source, you will notice a box will appear. You just click browse, and once you click browse, a box will appear. So you need to know where you save your file. So apparently I saved my file in the desktop under case study 1 monthly variance analysis, and I select January. So now I must select the subsequent one, which is February, and I press open. And then what I do is I press OK and change to February, press close. So over here there are pending changes in your query. So what you need to do is you press apply changes, and automatically you will notice that the dashboard will change accordingly. Meaning to say, initially it shows us January, but now it shows us February, and the data will change accordingly. So now let me just show you one more time. So I just go to transform data, data source settings, and a box will appear. So I click on change source, and then after that another box will appear. I'll just click browse, and then just now I select February, now I select March, I press open, and then you press OK, and then you press close. So you just press apply changes. So once you press apply changes, from February it changes to March. So meaning to say, what happened is the data, you don't have to redo your dashboard every time. What you can actually do is you can actually you can just change the data source, and eventually the numbers will be reflected accordingly. And you don't actually just say you press data source settings, but you accidentally press transform data. Suppose you want to press data source settings, but you accidentally press transform data. Don't worry. What you can do is you can actually go to the query settings, whereby you can change the data source. So how to change data source in your Power Query? Well, over here we have data source settings. So once you click here, a box will appear. So you just click it over here, a box will appear. You click the change source, and then you just click the change source. You click browse, and once you click browse, a box will appear. So what you need to do is you need to select the subsequent file. So just say I go back to January, I press open, I press close, and then after that I just press close and apply. So by pressing close and apply, you will notice that eventually it will changes automatically accordingly. So meaning to say, when it comes to Power BI desktop or even in Excel, you don't actually have to redo the dashboard. You can change the data source every time when you have a new file or new data.